A long time ago, in 1863, a baby boy was born in Kolkata, then Calcutta, India. His name was Narendra Nath Datta. This boy later became famous as Swami Vivekananda. From a young age, Narendra was different from other children. He was very smart, full of energy, and asked deep questions. He wanted to know the truth about God and life. He read many books, but he still had many doubts. He wanted to meet someone who had seen God. One day he met a great saint named Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Ramakrishna was a simple and loving man. He believed that all religions lead to the same God. When Narendra asked him, "Have you seen God?" Ramakrishna replied, "Yes, I have seen God. I see him just like I see you." This answer touched Narendra's heart. He became a student of Ramakrishna. Under his guidance, Narendra learned about spirituality, meditation, and serving people. After Ramakrishna died, Narendra became a monk and took the name Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda then decided to travel all over India. He saw that many people were poor, hungry, and uneducated. This made him very sad. He believed that India could become strong only through education, unity, and faith in its culture. In 1893, there was a big religious event called the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago, USA. Swami Vivekananda went there to represent India and Hinduism. When he stood up to speak, he began with the words, "Sisters and Brothers of America." The whole crowd stood up and clapped for 2 minutes. They had never seen such confidence, love, and wisdom in a speaker from the East. Vivekananda told the world that all religions are true and that we should respect each other. He spoke about peace, tolerance, and the deep wisdom of Indian culture. After this, he became very famous in America and other countries. But even with all the fame, he lived a simple life and always thought of India. He came back and started the Ramakrishna Mission, an organization to help people through education, healthcare, and spiritual teaching. Swami Vivekananda believed in youth. He once said, "Give me 100 energetic young men and I will change India." He told young people to be strong, brave, and full of faith. He wanted everyone to believe in themselves and work for the good of the country. Sadly, Swami Vivekananda passed away in 1902 at the young age of 39, but his thoughts and teachings still live on. His birthday, January 12th, is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Swami Vivekananda taught us to believe in ourselves, respect all religions, serve the poor, and work for our nation. His life is a great example of strength, kindness, and wisdom.